Maurer.
Roel Wouters.
Together we are Moniker.
With Moniker, we like to design environments or tools that create boundaries that other people can play with.
Often tools are designed with a specific purpose. But once you're using this tool in a different purpose, often very unpredictable results happen.
Today we are going to show you how to create an unconventional self-portrait using unusual tools. First step is to take a picture of your face using photo booth. Then you can use it as your desktop background.
This is where you can have some fun, sourcing from weird images. What do you want as your eyes, your ears? Do they have to really be ears and eyes?
You now can start putting them on your desktop and trace around your portrait.
Once you're busy and you see like the behavior of the desktop and you think, it doesn't work how I want it to be, maybe that's the moment that you're actually onto something.
Once you're happy with your creation, take a screenshot and share it with us. This is also a fun workshop, so just exaggerate it or just play with it as you like.
Once you're happy with your portrait, you share it under the hashtag Creative New World. It's fun. No, it's really, I'm laughing. It's fun. It's really fun.